Hello, I'm Mike, and you may remember I did an AI trading video that made me money on automation. Well, it's still continuing to be true as my Tesla shares go up and up. This got me to thinking, can I replicate that success with cryptocurrency? This is the successful automation I made a few months ago that made me money, but can I do the same with crypto? Now for this task, instead of building a Zap and automating everything, I thought I'll just get an AI agent to do everything. Luckily, Zapier has an agents product that we can get started with now. Let's go ahead and create my first agent. We'll start from scratch and call this an AI crypto agent. Okay, now I just describe in natural language what I'd like my AI agent to do. Every 5 minutes, I want you to check the balance of my Alpaca account for cryptocurrency. Then I want you to go out to the web and find out how Bitcoin is doing. And finally, I want you to go back, make a decision using Google Gemini as to whether I should buy or sell Bitcoin and how much. There you go, my instructions seamlessly populated there. Finally, go ahead and execute the order. And that's important because I want my agent to be autonomous. Let's create this and let AI do the work while I have a cup of coffee. Okay, so you'll see my schedule trigger is every 5 minutes. Alpaca get account balance. This is where I'll insert the Alpaca tool to do so. Get the account info, which is here. We don't need to add anything to the settings. AI takes care of it all. Again, getting Bitcoin indicators from TradingView, we insert the Visit Website tool. For Google AI Studio to analyze the data and make a decision with amount to buy, we simply insert Google Gemini, send a prompt. And for this, all we need to do is make sure that we're using a specific version, the beta version. And for the model, let's make sure we're using the most powerful model, which of course is Gemini 2.5. We can actually do a search for it here. This is the most powerful reasoning model that can reason over the data that's found. And then finally, for Alpaca again, we'll insert it. And this time we want to place an order, leaving all the fields blank because AI will make the decisions for us. Now that we've done that, we can trigger it via a Zap that we can run every 5 minutes and save what we've got. Now with that all done, let's test the behavior over here and see our agent in action for the first time. Now I notice on first run, it needs to know where exactly to go on TradingView to get the technical analysis. Luckily, there is a URL right here that will take you straight to the technicals of Bitcoin and everything you could ever imagine wanting in order to make this automation work. So I'll paste in that URL there, save, and we'll retest the behavior. Okay, fantastic. It's checking my Alpaca account. I'll approve that action. It's found how much Bitcoin I've got, $97.62 here. Now it's going to go ahead and load the website agentically to see all those indicators. It's completed the web browsing and it's seen this website here. This is much faster and better than calling APIs because AI agents in Zapier can visit any website you give them. We can visit the website ourselves or even see the screenshot that the agent took. Okay, now it's going off to Google Gemini to send the information for analysis. Here it's preparing the action. Now we can see the exact prompt it's going to send to Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's sending the portfolio value, the buying power. It's also giving all the signals that it's found on the TradingView website. This is really cool. And it's saying, based on this data, analyze and provide a trading decision. I absolutely love this. This is incredible. AI agents working on automation to buy and sell crypto for me. So let's approve that step. Okay, we can see that the prompt has been sent. And look at this, it says, based on the technical analysis showing strong buy signals, I'll place a minimal market order for Bitcoin. Now notice I've only got 2 cents of buying power in my account, but indeed this automation would have completely worked for me based on the information that went through, and it's all automated by my AI agent. So let's approve and see if this minimal order goes through. Probably won't, but let's try. Now, the cool thing about AI agents is they're self-correcting. The first order attempt failed due to a technical requirement, so I'm placing it again with correct parameters. Let's approve this second order, and this time we can see it would have gone through, but it's got to be greater than the minimal amount of ordering. So you can see the agent is wrapping up saying I completed, but unfortunately I couldn't execute a trade because you have insufficient funds. Did it run as I expected? Yes, it did. So I'm really impressed with agents from Zapier, but before I go ahead and set this loose to trade crypto for me for a few hours, let me put some more money into my buying power so that we can test that this works. Okay, so in my Alpaca account, against my better judgment, I'm actually going to sell $47.62 of Bitcoin. Let's review that order and confirm that order. Okay, order has been placed. Now we can go back to my AI agent and test if it really works. And look at this. Gemini has basically said, spend all your money and buy Bitcoin. So I'll approve that action. Now let's look in real time as my buying power should reduce to 0 as the AI agent executes this order for me. Now let's keep an eye on this. My buying power should reduce to 0 after this Alpaca order is executed by my agent. We've got a tick there. Let's refresh my dashboard. And boom, yes, I've only got 95 cents of buying power. It seems my AI agent is working perfectly. The best news is now this AI agent is complete. I can click the share button, generate a link that I'll share with you down below. Now we're going to create a zap. For this, we'll just put catch hook on the webhooks. And you'll see on my pro account, it runs more frequently than 5 minutes every 2 minutes, which is even better for my AI agent. So for this, I'm simply going to put in my TA API info with my secret key, and it's going to grab Bitcoin value every 2 minutes. Now, Bitcoin should change all the time, so therefore this should trigger every 2 minutes. Now we'll put key as ID, deduplication as ID as well, continue, and we'll test the trigger. Okay, we've got an entry. Yes, that's the current value of Bitcoin. It's all working. We'll now continue, select agents, and I want to run an agent behavior. And of course, the agent I want is my AI crypto agent. Behavior is, of course, to execute that automated crypto trading assistant. And for the input message, trade some BTC for me, please. We're not going to pause it until the agent replies because we're simply using this zap as a trigger to run my agent every 2 minutes. Click continue, and if we like, we can test the steps. So let's do it. Okay, success is true. It's not awaiting the response. My agent has been activated. Now, if we actually look inside my AI crypto agent history, we can see that it's currently trying to place an order agentically. It failed the first time, but it's trying again with 95 cents of buying power that I have remaining. So in this case, we'll publish this now. Okay, this has gone live, and every 2 minutes, I'm going to be trading crypto. Let's leave this running for a couple of hours, come back, and see what the results are. All right, let's take a break, and we'll come back in a few hours. If you like what you see so far, throw a like and subscribe. I do videos like this weekly. I'm back from a quick break, and here is my automated crypto trading assistant. It's been really busy. Now we can see my recent orders via my Alpaca dashboard and see that, yes, via access key, that's my agent working away, it's been busy buying, selling, and doing all kinds of stuff with Bitcoin while I've been away enjoying myself. So rather than using a complex automation like this, I can use a one-shot AI crypto agent like this and trade crypto on automation while I do other things. So not only is it easy to set up using Zapier Agents, but it's easy to troubleshoot when things go wrong. Now, I'm just trading in Bitcoin at the moment, but you'll see cryptocurrencies supported by Alpaca are very, very wide. So I can set up an AI agent for all of these cryptos here and make money on automation. Hey there, Mike here, back a few days later after leaving my Zapier agent on automation. And the good news, well, it seems to have worked really well and traded to make my portfolio worth nearly $125 and an increase of 26.01%. So it seems that automated crypto trading really has worked in my case. But remember, this video is not intended as financial advice and your investments are at risk. Remember that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do wish you the best of luck setting up your Zapier agent. It's incredible to see what is possible. Let me know how you get on in the comments down below. Remember, there are links and resources to get you started in the description as well. And yeah, just let me know how you get on and how you use this. Meanwhile, YouTube is showing a video on your screen right now that you should watch next.